2016 Volkswagen Jetta Sport. So part number for the rear lift support is going to be 4B227807. And to take it off, you pull that little tab open and then it'll pop off. To put them on, you can leave the tab closed. The rear side is going to be the rod side. So the one closest to the back seat will be the rod. The one on the trunk is going to be this side. So I'm going to keep both of these popped in. First one we're going to put on is back here. So I'll try to do it, with one hand. Sorry about that. And sorry about the bad camera angle. But you'll get the gist of it. Alright, so that's a little nub in the back. I'm going to take this one and pop it right on. Grab it. I wish my hand was a little smaller. Alright. Okay, that one's clipped on, so on in the back. Let's see, we'll follow it this way. And we are just going to open the trunk to allow this to stretch out a little bit farther. And then, if I can hold this up with one hand. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna pull the trunk up, and then I'm gonna use my free hand. Let me see if I can set this up a little bit. Alright, so I had to push it in a little bit